Mustang in for coilover install along with control arms, tie rod ends, bearings. I forgot the name of those. Whatever that is. Wheels and tires, and then the alignment we're gonna dollar up, dollar in, man. That part was a rear low control arm. Let's go. We are doing the coilover install, all the suspension components. But if you see me, man, I'm lacking a little bit because I'm sick. I have a vlog on my Deviate channel where I talk about that. But for now, man, don't mean we're gonna stop, right? Can't stop, won't stop, baby. There goes Khalifa doing it. Alright, so here is these two rear control arms. So the difference is this one has an adjustable perch, but if you look here, it made for this spring right here. See how it fits snug in there? If I don't use a perch, it's loose. If I use a perch, it's still loose, but it defeats the purpose because now they're two adjustable perches. Customer's gonna put the factory spring with the upgraded rear control arm with the rear upgraded perch for better handling, better ride, and better overall function, I guess you could say. So we're ready to take out the axle. Did you guys know that there are 4 shocks in the back of a Mustang? This is called a kicker shock, and what that does, eliminates wheel hop. And over here, because we're using the factory spring with the adjustable control arm, we went ahead and painted the factory spring black just to make it look clean, man. So the next step after he finishes it up is to gloss black the calipers, ceramic coat the wheels at the same time, and I do mean the same damn time. We're gonna install a carbon fiber hood, get her aligned, get her out, get her dialed in, and then charge the customer. That's the fun part. A good time to know your axle bearing and seals are bad is you see all that grease on the outside. That means the seal's already been contaminated. So here's the old seal, old bearing, new seal, new bearing, man. And then, like I said, my favorite part, charge his ass, baby. We're waiting for the gasket to put the gear oil in there to button her up and finish her up. And Tech likes to clean diff covers for a living, man. Like not for a living, for a hobby, I guess you could say. I cannot be myself on this channel because it's the Deviate Autosport YouTube channel. If you want to see my channel, go to the letter D, letter V, number 8, Deviate Aroldo, A-R-O-L-D-O. So there I can cut up and I'll show you behind the scenes footage. Over here, coilovers have been installed, calipers are done. If you look here, the inner and outer tie rods have been installed, and so is the lower control arm. And look at all the grease fittings, man, been greased up, ready to rock, baby. Calipers, of course. The lower control arm is an adjustable one, so we put the factory spring on there to increase the ride while still being able to lower and up, raise the car. The shaker shock, which will eliminate wheel hop, the BC coilover shock, and we're ceramic coating the wheels right now. Do the alignment, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the carbon fiber hood on and call it a day on that one. Carbon fiber hood ready for the install, baby. Ain't that a beauty right there? Wheels are currently getting shined up, ceramic coated. Falcon to Zenith 315 3018 tires. Like I said, man, let's go, baby. you're getting ready to set up the alignment to aligner, and then once that's complete, put the hood on and do a make ready. I believe it's done after that, man. Isn't this shit beauty? Oh, actually, one more thing I gotta do. See these tire stickers right here? Right here? Let me show you where they belong, man. I got messed up. Check it out. They belong on my tire sticker ball, man. Had I thought about this when I first started in 97, man, that should be big already. But I need this tire sticker ball to be this big so I can put it in the showroom, man, as a state monument, baby. Help me out. These are not my Takis, man. They're Kevin's. He's too busy eating Takis to realize how effed he is on this alignment, man. Check it out. Alignment ready to go. Driving straight, man. Hood scoop. Look at that. Isn't this cute? Bam. New carbon fiber hood getting installed so he can be wrecking y'all boys in the streets, man. So now we got to take off the hood to put the new hood on. And that sounds like an orchestra to me. It's beautiful. Beautiful sound. Look at Ruben. Everybody busy? Yeah. Not only is the job difficult enough already, man, now it's got bubble wrap marks everywhere that we got to take off. And Kevin here, who does ceramic coating, he's going to buff it off. Sorry about that, man. He's going to buff it off. Take a look at the, can you look at him? Can you see it, Caleb? Right here, all over the hood, man. Looks like a giraffe carbon fiber hood, baby. This Mustang is my favorite, man. We did mechanic work to it, custom work to it, suspension, wheels and tires, ceramic coating, man. This was a fun ass project, dude. Stay tuned for more.